Well, hello and welcome back. In today's episode, I'm going to show you guys where you can download free 808 bass samples. It might not only going to show you where to download them, going to show you how to download them and how to put them inside of LMMS. So if this is something that you might like, something that you might be interested in, stay tuned and do not go away. So one of the places that I went to get this pack is called surgesounds.com, and I will have the link in the description below for this. So once you go in here, it'll give you a free 808 bass samples. Not only are they free, they are also labeled. So if you see it's 100 key label 808 bass, one shot for hip hop, trap, future bass, and more. So to download is very simple. You go here to where it says Get 808 Volume 1. And then it's going to bring you to a page to download it, obviously. So it's like sort of like if you're buying it, but it's free. So then you proceed to checkout. And then we're just going to wait a second here, and then you go down. You need to put whatever email address that you want. Then after you put the email down, you put place order. Then you just wait a few seconds here. And then it tells you which one you want to download. So I want to download the first one here. Search Sound 808 Volume 1. So let's click on this one. And it's downloading right down here. The first time I did this, it downloaded it straight into my email. This time it downloaded it straight to my computer. So I'm going to show you how to put this in your LMMS folder. So once it's there, you go here to this arrow, you click on that, you click on show in folder, and it'll show you that it's right here. I downloaded it before. So then what you do is you go to your folder, you right click, you click on File Explorer, and it'll open up this thing again on the side here. Now to find LMMS or where to put it in, you go to your local disk C, you go to your program files, and there you look for LMMS and you open it up. After that's open, you go to data, double click on data, and then after that you go to samples. Now these are free drum or free 808 bass that I downloaded from the internet. So I just went down here and I created a new one called free 808 bass. So to create a new folder is you right click and you go here where it says create. Sorry, let's try that again. So you go to new and you go to folder, and then you name that folder whatever you like. So in this case I created free 808 bass. Alright, now to drag it there, it's very simple. You click on this here and then you double click on it. You're gonna need a zip file program to open up the zip file, but once it's open, it's there. And then to move it over here, you just click and hold and then you drag it until it's there. Now because I already have the folder in here, when I go to do that, it's gonna say you know that I already have it, duplicate. It's okay. I'm gonna hit OK just to show you guys. Do I want to replace files destination? I'm gonna hit replace on this one, but it'll tell you, do you want to download it to there? Then it'll ask you this question that you need the administrator approval. Then you just hit continue, and then it'll start downloading there. Because I already have this, it's gonna, for every single one of them, let's just hit this. So now it's going to download everything. You see it gives you the keys of A, B, C, D, E. Alright, so it has every key in there for that particular 808s. So alright, so now that it's downloaded, if you go here to free 808, you click on it again, and you click on the sounds, see the key of A, and they have all the different basses in the key of A right there. So then to open it up in LMMS, now that you put it in the folder, is very easy. So you open up LMMS, you go right here where it says My Samples, then you go to free 808 bass, there it is, search sound, open it up, I'm going to use the key of 8, and let's choose this one down here, the 9. You put it there. And there you have it. So now one thing that I learned watching another YouTube channel, you hear that click at the beginning? Well, to get rid of that little click, you open this up, you go here, add the amount full, you take the attack and you take it out just a little bit. There you have it. No more click. And you just hear the kick sounding very loud. And you can do whatever you want because now it's in the key of A, so then whenever you put it anywhere else, it's going to sound right because it's in the right key. Alright, so there you have it, where to download free 808 subs, samples, and how to put them inside of LMMS. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful. I hope that you learned something new with this. And I can't wait to see you in the next tutorial. Have a blessed day.